people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna be making palm oil noodles, and I know that sounds weird, but it came out so well. Okay, so in my pot I have my water. It has boiled, so I went in with 2 packs of noodles. I'll cover this and allow to boil, and while it's still boiling, in my empty pan I'll add in palm oil and I'll allow this to heat up a bit, and I'll go in with my chopped onion. Okay, so I'm gonna stir fry this for a few minutes. So I'll give this a quick stir till it's translucent. So right after this, I'm gonna go in with my fresh chopped tomatoes. Okay, so while cooking this, we'll allow this to cook for a few minutes so that the taste of the fresh tomatoes will go off the sauce, and we'll continue. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. I'm truly grateful. Thank you for all your support. I'm not taking this for granted. Okay, thank you very much. I truly appreciate. Okay, next I'll go in with my calf skin. Is washed and chopped into a smaller bites, and I'll add in my crayfish too. Okay, all this will give it the native flavor. Okay, when I saw this first, it looked weird, but until I tried it, I saw that it was okay. So you can also give this a try and you will love it. Okay, so we're gonna be stirring this for a bit, and I'll go in with different colors of bell peppers. Okay, you can also use spring onion, carrots, whatever vegetable you have. Okay, so I'm adding in my black pepper. You can decide to use fresh pepper too. So we're gonna stir this for a bit too, and I'll go in with my noodle spice. So I'll pour that in. We are building flavor. So we are building flavor from here. These noodles taste so great. Okay, so we're gonna stir fry this and allow all the sauce to come together. Okay, so we're going back to our noodles that we boiled earlier, and this is it. My noodles was a bit soft, so while cooking yours, you can make it not to be soft like mine. Okay, so it has dried up, and it is time to transfer it back into the sauce. And when it all comes together, the taste is amazing. Truly, the taste is amazing. Okay, I can't stop thanking every one of you for always coming back to watch me, for always coming back to like my video, giving me thumbs up. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up in this video. Share to your loved ones and enjoy the rest of the video. So this is my final look, and it all came out well. You garnish it the way you want, and that is all. See you in my next one. From me is bye bye.